Hello, Tutu, I'm back. Okay, next I'm going to go through question 11 of your common test. Alright. Okay, question 11's the question states that there are these two students who attempt to factorize the equation 21x squared minus 11x minus 2. Alright. And Dennis actually got this expression. So Dennis actually got this after he factorized. So he get this 3x plus 2, right, 7x minus 1. And Eugene got this expression 7x plus 1, 3x minus 2. Okay, so the question is asking you check these two answers and state who got the answer correct. Alright. Okay, so this question is just a test of understanding and on the concept of factorization or expansion. So you should know that this expression here, after factorizing, you will either get this or this. Alright, so there are many ways to solve this question. So for the first method, right, you can actually do factorization. So you factorize this expression. Alright, so in this case here, in order to factorize these expressions, you have to consider the different methods of factorization. So what are the methods I have learned? So you have learned the cross product. No, you have learned the cross method. You have learned the special product method. Alright, you have learned grouping. And the first one you have learned is to take out common factor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and this happens to be a quadratic expressions. So for quadratic expressions, it involves a power of 2. Alright, so if this is a quadratic expressions, naturally if you want to factorize, you have to use the cross method. Alright, so in this case here, we use the cross method. Okay, and the working as follows: 21x squared followed by minus 2 and minus 11x. Okay, so we try 7x and 3x. Okay, 7x and 3x will actually give you the product of 21x squared. Alright, 2 and 1. So 1 and 2 will actually give you the product of 2. Alright, but which comes first? So after working out, after some trial and error, you will notice that this is the combination that will give you the correct answer. So in this case here, I cross multiply 3x by 1, I will get positive 3x. I diagonal multiply 7x by minus 2, I get minus 14x. Alright, and sum of these two, I will get minus 11x. So after I factorize these expressions, I will get a factor of 7x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. Right, 7x plus 1 and 3x minus 2. And I double check the answer. So in this case here, Eugene got the right answer. Alright, hence we can say that Eugene got the right answer. Alright, okay, I'm going to show you method 2. Method 2. So method 2, you need to actually do expansion. Just now method 1, we are factorizing the expressions using a cross method. Alright, so now method 2, we use expansion. Okay. Alright, we know that Danny's answer is 7x minus 1. Right? So in this case here, we will expand this out. Right? So to do expansion, we have to use the cover-up method. So in this case here, we look at 7x first. Alright, we cover up minus 1. Alright, so in this case here, we don't really bother about minus 1 first. So we distribute in 7x to the terms or to the expressions in the second bracket. So by distributing in, we are multiplying in. We are multiplying 7x by 3x, you get 21x squared. Alright, we are multiplying 7x by 2, we have 14x. Alright, in this case here, you need to know that, alright, the sign attached to 3x is positive and the sign attached to 7x is also positive. So there isn't any change, right? Right. So now we work on the negative 1. Alright. So negative 1, I distribute in multiplying to 3x minus 1 times positive 3x, I get minus 3x. Alright. Minus 1 multiplied by positive 2, I will get negative 2. So my answers, after I group the like terms together, so minus 14x and plus 14x and minus 3x are like terms. So I will have 21x squared plus 11x minus 2. So from Danny's answer, after I do expansion, I will get this. Right. Now I work on Eugene's answer. So Eugene's answer, we follow the same method of expansion. Right. We will get also 7x multiplied by 3x, you get 21x squared. 7x multiplied by minus 2, alright, you'll get minus 14x. Next we look at the positive 1, we multiply by 3x, we will get positive 3x. Positive 1, we multiply by minus 2, we will get minus 2. So the answers will be 21x squared minus 11x minus 2. Alright, so again, comparing these two expressions, we know that Eugene actually got the answers right and Dennis got it wrong. So Eugene has the right answer.